Namaste Udyogshakti Maharashtra. My name is Antariksh Bahekar. I am CEO of Kirti Pressings Private Limited. We are showcasing our projection welding machine with nut feeder at MASSIA exhibition. This machine is with nut feeding automation, and this is generally used for welding nuts in BIW and chassis components for automotive, two-wheeler, three-wheeler and tier 1 and tier 2 vendors. Kirti Pressings is our company. We are roughly 40 years old company. We are into resistance welding machines and related equipments. We also have a pressing business where we make the components for automotive motors.